Hello guys, welcome to my space. My name is Opeyemi, and in this video today I'm going to be showing to you how to prepare the very delicious Nigerian Gbegiri soup. I know preparing Gbegiri can be very cumbersome, but in this video I'm going to be showing you an easy step-by-step method of preparing your Gbegiri and ensuring it comes out very tasty. Let's get to it. Okay, so here's our beans, already washed and then soaked in water for a few minutes, just to fasten the process of already it's quite soft. So I'll just go ahead and put it in my hot pot of water and cook it till it is very soft. Okay, so now I'll just go ahead and add my palm oil to this right away, so the palm oil can cook very well with the beans. Not too much, just enough. So if there's any need to top it up, then that can be done after the bean paste has been mashed. After the beans has been mashed. So I'll add my onion, and onion serves as a tenderizer, so it will also help the beans to cook very fast. So the next thing is to cover my pot and allow it to cook so the beans is properly soft and mashed. Okay, so I've been cooking this for about an hour now. Let's check it and see how soft it is. Oh my god, this is fine. Yes, this is what we want. So let's just go and give it right away. Okay, so what I need to do here is, because it is very thick, I'll need a spoon to help me do this. Okay, so I am done sieving, and the next thing to do is to pour it into the pot. I rinsed the sieved beans with little water, and poured it. So that was why you noticed that the top of the paste was quite watery. So now I'm going to add onions again, sliced onions. When you add little onions to your Gbegiri at this stage, it gives it a very nice flavor and very sweet taste. It's nice, delicious taste. Make sure you slice it very thinly so that it can melt into the soup. So I'll go ahead, add onions, I'll add my smoked fish, I'll add my iru, I'll add my crayfish, I'll season it and allow it to cook very well and thicken a little more and allow it to cook. Okay, so in goes the crayfish, not too much, just for flavor so it doesn't darken the face of the Gbegiri. Now in goes the fish. This roasted fish is actually optional, it's just additional, but for the flavor of roasted fish in Gbegiri makes the Gbegiri just very nice, gives it a top-notch taste. Okay, so I've added my onion and and stock, roasted fish. So now I'll just go ahead, add my seasoning cubes or cube. I'll just be adding one, and then I'll add my salt. can taste and adjust as you cook. So it's beginning to thicken. We'll just allow it to cook a little more. Stir from time to time, or else it will begin to, come off. Rise until it begins to pour out of the pot. So your gbegiri is optional, but when you do, it gives the gbegiri a top notch. It takes the soup, the taste of the soup, a notch further. Okay, I think this is fine, because once it's off the fire, it thickens a little more. Once it gets cold, it thickens a little more. So I have adjusted the salt. I added a little more salt. So I'll just go ahead now, put it down. The aroma is inviting. I hope I'm not pressing my fingers. So just go ahead, put it down, and get ready for my amala, and here we go. Bye.